So the very important achievement now, really to the complete, what we might call the first phase of Brexit, which is the agreement with the United Kingdom of the bilateral issues between us that will continue to allow us access, enhanced access at that, to the UK market in financial services, in gaming and services generally, as we go forward towards the end of the implementation period, the transitional period for the United Kingdom to leave the European Union, but underpinned by the mechanisms to ensure that we will continue to have that access even beyond that at the end of the transitional period, beyond 2020. We have done that work with the Department for Exiting the European Union, with the Foreign Office, and with each of the relevant departments underlying the work that is relevant. So with the Treasury in relation to financial services, and with gaming in relation to online gaming services. But you've also seen the Department of Education, the Department of Health, the Department of the Environment, and the Department for Transport being relevant to the arrangements that we've entered into today with the United Kingdom.
Well, as you said, the UK has agreed to guarantee access. Is there a guarantee yet? What form does it take?
Oh, yes, that's absolutely guaranteed. The wording is in the statement that the United Kingdom will issue today, and it's the wording of guarantee that Gibraltar financial services firms will have access to UK markets until the end of 2020, and with a framework to endure beyond 2020.
So a legally binding assurance?
An absolutely legally binding assurance, which will be contained in a law if necessary, and there will be a necessary change to the law after the end of the transitional period, and that law is actually being worked on already. So this is very, very good news. It's something for our operators in financial services, in particular in insurance, and our operators in online gaming to bank and move forward from.
The commitment is to maintain the status quo until 2020, while working to redesign a framework for after that. This means that access isn't guaranteed beyond 2020, at least not in its current form.
Quite the contrary. What is guaranteed is that there will be a seamless move from the existing arrangements, which will not be upset by the transitional arrangements, to beyond 2020. We know what those mechanisms to design the framework are. We are just finalizing how to adapt them. They require adaptation of regulations, but that is also something that is agreed between the government of Gibraltar and the government of the United Kingdom.